So guys, this is the part 4 of making chromie squishy. So we're gonna make this, and this. But there's a scratch tape. It's like a delivery. So we're gonna cover it again, again. Bro. Bro, what is he doing? Oh no. Wait a minute. Okay, I do this. I covered the. I am so legendary for doing a squishy. So I'm gonna scratch this. So wait a minute. So I'm gonna be a little bit further than the skater. So I scratch it. Look at this. I'm gonna paint this. Wait a minute. Oh, 14 minutes. First of all, I don't eat with the no. Okay, and I'm doing. I don't have problems. I need to go. Oh, I need it. This is purple. Okay, guys, I'm done for the result. Ta-da! It is so satisfying. Like and subscribe for